finally I get the time to say hi to all of you. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but moms with kids, tell me if you agree. When you have 2 little kids at home, you don't even have the time to take a proper shower, let alone having the time to sit in front of the camera and talk. But this time I said, I have to do it because I have something special to tell you. My channel just got monetized, and I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you for all your love and support for the past 1 year. I couldn't have done it without you. And also a big thank you to my family and friends for encouraging me all the way through. I remember when I quit my work as a scientist, so I had my first kid and my heart used to stay at home. I used to go to work, but I had long hours at work and I just wanted to spend time with them. So I took a break, and then I had my son, and then he grew up a little, and then I thought, it's time to be a little creative again. And I love to cook. I remember when we were kids, I used to enter the kitchen and try all these experiments with foods, and my poor sisters used to be my guinea pigs. I fed them anything and everything. I guess I'm not that bad now. I learned a lot from my parents. We love to travel and eat. When I started, I did not start with the intention of getting monetized or anything. I just loved it as a hobby. I loved cooking, I loved shooting, and I loved editing, and then the best part was interacting with you guys. I love reading all your encouraging comments, and especially when some of you would cook one of the recipes I posted and post the photo. It was so thrilling. It really was. Oh, and I forgot to thank my kids for their help. They were so helpful to me that I could have probably monetized my channel 6 months ago. From my videos, it seems like, oh, things are progressing so smoothly, but if you know what goes on in the background, oh my goodness. No, I'm kidding. That's okay. Oh, it's just fun. It's fun. It's fun all the time with them. I love them. Let me thank all of you once again. Let me know what kind of recipes you want me to post. I'd love to do it for you. If any of you want to know how I shoot my videos or how I grew my channel up to this point, let me know in the comment section. I'll be sure to post a video on that. And you know one thing, if you like to cook, just get a channel started. It's so rewarding. I mean, not from the money point of view. It's rewarding that you're doing something. It just makes you feel, I don't know, so creative and it's so fulfilling. I can help you with the kind of editing apps I use, or I can give you tips on how to set up the recording. Just get started. You'll love it. I know there's so many good cooks out there, and all of us can get the chance to contribute something and have fun. So thank you, my viewers. Thank you once again. I love you. So see you next week. Bye-bye.